Poultry skinning machines are a significant innovation in the poultry meat processing industry, helping to enhance production efficiency and ensure product quality. With advanced technology, this machine is capable of quickly and accurately removing skin and hair from the meat surface. Do you have a passion for chicken? Looking at the delicious pieces of fresh chicken, sliced thinly and displayed on tray, you can't help but feel craving for it. Each piece of meat reflects freshness and meticulous care from processing to preservation. The faded pink color combined with a bit of shiny fat represents maturity and nutritional richness. Besides its attractive appearance, the quality of fresh chicken meat also means safety and health for consumers. This is the result of strict production processes and the use of fresh ingredients, ensuring the highest food safety standards are met. The meat strip cutter is an indispensable tool in the modern food industry. Looking at these machines in action, we cannot help but be surprised at the accuracy and performance they bring. Through each cut, they create thin or thick strips of meat, depending on the final product. Requirements. Looking at the fresh slices of meat being sliced on the production line, you can't help but feel attractive and hungry. The freshness and uniformity in each slice of meat is clear evidence of high-quality care and processing. The meat opener plays an important role in the meat processing process, helping to remove unnecessary leaves and peels quickly and effectively. By using this machine, the job of opening the leaf meat becomes easier and saves time compared to doing it by hand. With the modernization and automation of meat openers, meat production becomes more flexible and efficient. This technology not only saves time and labor costs, but also ensures the quality and hygiene of the final product. This makes the meat opener an indispensable part of modern meat processing plants. Meat seasoning mixing equipment is not only an important tool, but also the secret. Cleaning vehicles now only requires a sponge and clean water. Wow, I'm totally impressed with its speed and skills. The pressure washer is so strong that it can even bring a brick wall a whole new look.
With advanced sorting technology, this machine not only helps increase productivity but also ensures the quality and uniformity of tomatoes. The machine's rapid sorting speed and high precision ensures that each tomato is handled with the same level of care and precision. Designed with advanced technology, this machine not only ensures accuracy and uniformity in the packaging process but also optimizes production efficiency. With bag packaging machines, product packaging becomes quick, effective, and ensures quality. Pear is a symbol of sophistication and sweetness in the fruit world. With their velvety appearance and vibrant colors, pears are not only a source of inspiration for every meal but also a symbol of freshness and appeal. The sweet and cool taste of pears not only delights every mouth but also captivates every soul. With its smooth appearance, vibrant green, color and refreshing sweet taste. Kiwi is not only a delicious fruit but also a great source of nutrition. Not only delicious when eaten raw, kiwi is also suitable for many different types of dishes, from desserts to salads and smoothies. They will please your taste buds.